Hey.
He's fast. 2 inches don't hurt.
Maybe a little bit.
Get over there. Go see Joe.
Is he blowing bubbles?
Say hello to my little friend.
A little bit. What are you guys doing? All right, sweet.
No idea.
Oh, I was doing video.
Oh.
Oh, cool. Oh, that's
I have one of these.
cool
That's
stuff.
Ooh, is that the cool rock?
It's really light.
Oh, weird.
A while ago.
I was depending on you to know what it was.
I don't know rocks. Caspian knows rocks.
Debatable.
I don't know. There's still goop in there. I think that's gonna stink pretty good.
Oh, it is. I'm not saving
Okay.
it. I just wanted to know why it was blue.
I don't know. It looks like a potato.
Yeah, no, I don't know. Like, I don't.
That looks like a
Seems like it's probably not a
That's the poop.
Oh.
blue lobster, but
Yeah.
that is.
Well, it's what it's siphoned out. It's not actually
Way out
poop.
in Misha and Great Rosie. We went all the way around that.
Yeah.
And it's like all a bunch of seaweed, and I found one, and it had there were like 2 of them next to each other, but they were smaller. But they were also blue.
I hate it when it makes
So I didn't even know lobsters.
Oh, cool. Oh, look at that. That's a great heart-shaped rock.
Huge chunk
Coral. Nice.
in a hair.
A hair. Gross. Yeah. Oh, it's totally video.
What the scare?